Now you can see that my download is complete. I'm looking in the lower left-hand corner of my window, and again, I'm using Chrome as my browser on the internet. And now I want to unzip these files. So I'm going to click on the downloaded file, and notice once you bring up a compressed folder that there is an option to extract it. So the only thing you need to know before you extract it is where you're going to land the files that have been uncompressed or converted back into regular size. So for you, probably you're going to save them on your computer, possibly on your USB device. For this example, I will just use the desktop. So I'm going to extract all, and when I select my destination, I'm going to browse to the desktop, and I'm going to make a folder called Integrated Apps Data Files. Make a folder, I'm sorry, whoops. Scratch that. I'm going to pick, oh, I don't have a folder ready to go. That's okay, I'll just land it on the desktop. And it will be in a folder, you'll see. Okay, so I'm going to hit extract. And now on my desktop, I have a folder called Data Files for Students 2016. When I open that folder, there is another folder inside for every one of our module units. So the next one we're going to be starting is the Office 2016. And if we double click and open that, we'll see that there's an Office Module 1 folder and there's an OF11 file that we will use as we're going through the steps in this chapter. Okay, so now what I'd like you to do is use the Snip tool to show me that you've got these files downloaded and installed, or ready to go on your machine. Not installed, but uncompressed, ready to roll. So to do that, we're going to use the Snip tool. The Snip tool is built into Windows 7, 8, and 10. It may have even been available before 7. I think maybe it was. But at any rate, what it allows you to do is take a picture of something on your screen, either copy it and use it in a document or a file, or you can save it as a JPEG and have it immediately available for a picture. So it's kind of like taking a screenshot, but you get to select what you're picking on that screenshot. So the first thing I need to do is reveal the folder that I just downloaded. And so I want to reveal that from my desktop. And it was called Data Files for Students 2016. I want to double click to open up that file and show all of the folders that were downloaded inside of that. So this is where I want your screen when you take a picture for me. Now there is a print screen key on your keyboard, and you can even Alt print screen to print the open window, but I want you to use the Snip tool. So we're going to go to the Start button. In Windows 10, we're going to go to All Apps, and you'll find this tool. I think it's under, oh boy, this is going to be a good question for me. I think it's under Windows Accessories. Yep, there it is, Windows Accessories, and there you can see the snipping tool. But you noticed how long that took me to find it, and I wasn't quite even sure it was there. So let me show you the easy way to find it. So I'm just going to click on the Start button and type, without clicking, I'm going to type Snip, and it's going to come right up for me, and I'm going to hit Enter. All right, so now I have the snipping tool window available. I need a new snip, so I'm going to click the New button. And now my entire screen turns gray, and I'm just going to select the area of my window that I'd like to save. So that looks about good. Now I'm in the snipping window, Snip tool window, and I want to save the snip. I'm going to put that probably on the same folder, the desktop folder. You can just drop it in here, and we're going to call it download snip and hit save. Now that file is the one that I want you to upload for me, and then I will know that you've learned what you needed to learn for downloading and how to use the snip tool, and we'll call this assignment complete. Thanks.